up, y'all? Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing. I ordered a handbag from LNCC, which is an online store that sells luxury handbags, and I decided to pick up a Wang handbag, and it's a leather handbag that looks so beautiful with an excellent price. This is the company information right here. And I got the bag for $319, and the original price is $650. And here's the receipt. Here's the dust bag. Here's the bag before I take the paper off. Here's the exact name of the handbag. And this is how the handbag looks. Turn around. Just a simple leather handbag. And this is how the handbag looks at the top of the handle. So cute. Next, I'm going to open it up. It says Alexander Wang, New York. And this bag is so spacious in the inside. It looks like it can hold a lot of items. You can put all your essentials inside and more. Also came with this, and it got some cards in the inside, probably showing you how to care for your bag. Also on the zipper, it says an A right here, if you can see it. And also this bag has some heels that goes with it, and I'm gonna purchase the heels so it can match. I usually don't wear silver, but I need a bag with silver detailing so I can wear it, so it can go with clothing that has silver detailing. On a scale out of 1 out of 10, I give this bag an 8. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think of this handbag? And I hope you have a nice day.